Hey, so if you want a free alternative to Adobe Lightroom, yeah, Darktable is one of the closest tools you can use. In this guide, I'll show you step by step how to use Darktable like Lightroom in 2026. First thing, open Darktable and go to Lighttable mode. This is where you import and organize your photos like a catalog. Next, open an image in darkroom mode. So this works like Lightroom's develop module. All right, start with exposure. Adjust brightness, contrast, highlights, and shadows. Now fix colors. Use white balance and color balance to get natural tones like Lightroom. Next, refine tones. So tone curve and filmic RGB help create professional contrast and style. All right, enhance details. I mean, use sharpening and noise reduction for cleaner images. And yeah, export your final image. Choose format, quality, and resolution like Lightroom export settings. So that's how you use Darktable like Lightroom for free. Once you learn the workflow, you can edit photos professionally without paying anything.